Welcome back to my latest travel vlog featuring the stunning beauty of Brevent and the thrilling Tramway du Mont Blanc in the Alpine paradise of Chamonix Mont Blanc. Brevent is a must-visit location in Chamonix Mont Blanc. It is the highest peak on the western side of the Chamonix Valley. You can reach it by taking the gondola Télécabine de Plantras, located approximately 400 meters west of the Chamonix tourist office, followed by a cable car ride to reach the summit. At the top, you will enjoy a breathtaking view of the Chamonix Valley and a spectacular vista of Mont Blanc and the Brévent Glacier. It is open throughout the year and serves as the starting point for numerous beautiful hikes. From Aiguille du Midi, you get a closer look at Mont Blanc, but from Brevent, you enjoy a panoramic view of Mont Blanc and the Brévent Glacier. I can't say one view is better than the other, both look incredible. However, if you are on a budget, then Brevent is definitely cheaper than Aiguille du Midi. If you walk around at the top, you can see a trail dedicated to the French alpinist and former skiing world champion Charles Bosson. Next to it, there are a few restaurants where you can sit and enjoy a snack or a drink. Depending on your time, you can either explore one of the hiking trails or simply enjoy the stunning mountain views. But I'm sure this location will leave an everlasting impression on you. Before we move on to the second section of the vlog, let's take a closer look at Mont Blanc and the Brévent Glacier. To take the Tramway du Mont Blanc, you need to reach Saint-Gervais-les-Bains, which is around 20 minutes by car or train from Chamonix. The tram boarding station is next to the railway station. The whole tram journey is around an hour and a quarter, with the end station at Nid d'Aiguille, also known as Eagle's Nest. The journey starts at an elevation of 580 meters and reaches around 2,400 meters. From the end station, you can walk up to the Bionnasse Glacier, the beginning of one of the mountaineering routes to Mont Blanc. You can already see the glacier from midway through the journey. The alpine pastures and the mountain vistas on this route are probably the best you will ever see. The construction of the route started in 1904 and the full route to Nid d'Aiguille was completed in 1912, with the first travelers boarding the tram from 1913 onward. There are multiple stations before you reach the eagle's nest, where one can step out and hike to a specific station before continuing the journey by tram. This allows you to fully immerse yourself in the scenic beauty of the various sections of the journey, taking in the breathtaking views and exploring the surrounding landscapes at your own pace. Due to maintenance, we could only go as far as Bellevue, the second to last station, but the views from here were also breathtaking. Although there was the possibility to hike to Eagle's Nest, we decided to enjoy the view closer to the station. If you are lucky, you will be able to see alpine ibex, chamois, and bearded vultures. Bearded vultures were once hunted to extinction, but due to conservation efforts, there are around 100 pairs in this region. There are a number of hiking routes in this area, and mountain bikes are also allowed here. You can even bring mountain bikes if there is enough space on the tram. I hope you enjoyed the vlog and that it inspires you to visit this location someday. Until the next vlog, wishing you a great time ahead. Brévent.